Okay, A-Team, all-terrain cleaning solutions here. So as you see, you remember before when we put our hand, look how shiny it is right there. Look at that. You see the reflection off of that, gleaming. That's what we want. We want the windows to gleam just like that, and we get the frame. So our process is quite simple. We use our brush right here. We have our solution in our bucket over there, and we first wash that down, get it all wet with the dirt. Get the dirt and all the debris on the window wet and loosened up. And then we come back, and then we have our shining, or our solution, that's streak-free solution in here. All right, so I put my hand in here, and the gloves on. And what we do next is, whenever you're on the ladder, of course, you always want to, no matter if it's a step ladder or it's a 30-foot ladder, you always want to make sure that you're all the way on there safe, really good. So now here, we're going to go ahead and let this streak all the way, not streak down, but we want to let this just flow all the way down, okay? So we're wiping the window down, get the window nice and wet, as you see here. Get in those, and there's tracks in there. Get the tracks all cleaned out as well, see? Get all that all cleaned out. And really nothing to cleaning windows. I mean, don't get me wrong, not taking away from anyone's trade. This is something that we add on while we're out, but typically, you know, we specialize in the roof washing and house soft wash and gutter cleaning and surface cleaning, but we do this as an add-on, so it's definitely good to, oh, I just dropped my, that's why you have two drying towels. So now the next thing that we do is we come here with our squeegee, and we just squeegee it down. So here's our process here. Squeegee nice in there, and of course, you know, you have some that do like an S. You make an S and you kind of go up, so that way the water goes away from the window. But with this solution that I have on it, by no means am I the expert at window washing, but we know how to get it clean. So I'm sure there's people that can do it a lot more efficient and a lot more faster than the time that I'm doing it here. But again, we go the extra mile for our clients and make sure that we do an absolute superb job. And again, what I'm using on here, this solution that I'm using, it dries streak free. So now I'm gonna set this in here, get this in thing there. Now we're just gonna let this dry here, and we'll come back and then we'll wipe around the frame now. All right, get the frame on. Make sure everything is stable too. Probably, it's kind of hard to see me. I'm using both hands, so I'll wipe around this frame here. Get all this nice and clean and dried off here. So as you see, voila. Get all up in there, right? And the next thing that we do for this particular window is we already treated the screen. We're gonna go ahead and rinse the screen off next, all right? We treated the screen with the percarbonate to clean all the dust and all that stuff off of it. So now all we're doing here is wiping the frame down, getting these nice and make sure we keep it nice and clean like our clients like it. All right. So again, if it's a little bit of different content from what we typically see on the channel, but like I said, we're in the business of cleaning, and we want to make sure we keep everything clean and spot free. So now what I need to do is go over this. I see it again. I'm gonna go over this part once more here. Because I see. And let it dry. So as it's drying up, okay, we're gonna let all that, so just watch it dry now. That's what, at least that's what they tell us. And if not, I have to go back. Yeah, it's drying. You see it's drying streak free. Look at that. First you seen it, now look at it, gleaming. Still see like a water line right there. Right here, I need to get this. Now actually what I need to do is dry my squeegee here. Okay, that probably will make it a lot better for me. Uh-oh, I dropped this here. So here we go. So my squeegee's nice and clean. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, it's drying nice and spot free here. I see a little bit of water there. We'll get that right there. And we're watching this. Look at that, it's drying up spot free. Streak free, okay. I'm looking very close. I'm looking like with a fine-tooth comb. I'm looking at these windows here, and they appear to be gleaming. Okay, this one looks good. So now I'll go ahead and get off of this. I'm over 3. I didn't want this particular video to be over 5 minutes long, so let me go ahead and come down here. We'll wipe the frame as you've seen us doing when we're on the step ladder. Gotta get up in there. And this window looks great. All right. Absolutely great. Absolutely streak free. Look at that. Window cleaning. All right. And it's something to do, like, you know, think about it. There's people who actually have window cleaning businesses, and they have a lot of clients that they do this. It's just an additional service that we offer since we're in the cleaning industry. But it's definitely something that, you know, if business goes slow, I think that people always need their windows cleaned, no matter if it's summer, winter, fall, or spring. So yeah, it might be something to consider. But anyhow, just wanted to give you guys some insight on this process of doing the window clean. All right, so visit us at allterraine.com. Hey, spread the love, share the love, and if you're in the Sacramento region, reach out to us. You know our slogan for the Supreme Clean, make that phone number ring. Thank you.